Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing eyeshadow palette bingo. I have the NYX Ultimate Utopia palettes and I'm going to use this to pick out my shades and try to make a look with it, and I have the roulette app to help pick it out. So if you want to see me try to make a look with some random shades, then just keep watching. So I'm kind of scared right now. I don't know what shades I'm going to get, and that's a little scary. Let me see how many shades I need to pick out. Alright, so I think I'm going to do 5 shades. I'm going to pick 5 shades out using my randomizer app. And then I'll swatch the shades on the back of my hand, and then I'll try to figure out what to do with the shades. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm doing 0 to 40. We'll do 1 to 40 I need to do. Alright, so here we go. The first number, there we go, is 12. So let's see what shade 12 is. Okay, good, a matte brown. Alright, so that's the first shade. Got a light to mid-tone matte brown. Alright, next is 27. I got a darker brown matte. This might actually work out for me. Alright, so that's the second shade. There we go. So that's the second shade. It's kind of working out to be might be okay. Alright, let's go for the third shade. Is 3. 3 is a light, like a cream shade. Be a good brow bone highlight. Alright, let's get our fourth one. 18. Finally, a duochrome shimmer shade. Alright, so next is 27. Didn't I already do 27? Yeah, let's roll again. That way we have a different shade. Why is it keep saying 27? Hold on. Let me try one more time. Randomize. 18. Is that what I just got? Yeah. I might need to give me another app. 13. Which is a gold. Alright, let me take my glasses off. Let me get a different brush. Alright, first I'm going to take the cream shade right here, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. And I've already primed my eyes. I used the Beauty Bay eye base, so that has been done. Alright, just going all over the lid. Just to set my eye and have a little highlight up there. Alright, now I'm going to take this mid-tone brown and I'm going to put that in my crease as my transition shade. My neighbor has goats. Not the neighbor that shoots guns and rides his little side by side all over the yard, but he was actually doing it earlier. But the neighbor on this side, the other side, they have goats, and she actually has a she runs a daycare kind of school. I'm not sure exactly, because she also has like first and second grade too. I'm not sure exactly what kind of, sounds kind of like a Montessori school or whatever, those Montessori, however you say that, kind of like that I think. But she moved out here and they teach a lot about nature, and that's why they have goats. Alright, now I'm going to take this darker brown shade and I'm going to put that in my outer corner. I'm just placing that in the outer corner, then just blending into the crease. Alright, now I'm going to take this duochrome shade and I'm going to put that in the middle of my lid. Just put that right there where the seam is. Now do the same thing to the other eye. Alright, now I'm going to take the gold, which it was all messed up when I first got the palette, and I kind of smushed it back together. So it's a little messy. I got gold glitter everywhere. I think what I'm gonna do is hop off here, do my makeup, and then I'll come back on and we'll do the lower lash line together and the inner corner highlight and everything. So I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back and ready to do the lower lash line. I'm gonna take the darker brown. I'm going to put that on the first half of, or the last half of my lower lash line. Alright, and now the other side. Alright, now I'm going to take the duochrome shade and I'm going to put it on the other half of my lower lash line. Alright, now going over to the other eye. I'm going to take this ColourPop liner in Sub-Zero, and I'm going to put that in my waterline. Now I'm going to go in the cream shade, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner as my inner corner highlight. I don't know how much it's really working. Okay, I'm just putting a little bit of gold in my inner corner just so it don't look weird. I'm going to throw on some lower lash mascara. I'm going to put on the Propa Beauty lipstick in Fighter. I'm going to throw that on my lips real quick. And if you're wondering what's on my face, I use the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Hydrating Primer. I use the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation in Mont Blanc. I use the Dose of Colors Concealer, Meet Your Hue Concealer in shade Light. I use the Lovecraft Beauty Bronzer, and I use the Sigma Rose Glow Cheek Duo. So I think that's all that's on my face. And then you just saw my lipstick and the eyeshadow. So, and I use Thrive Cosmetics mascara. Alright, this is the final look doing the palette bingo with the NYX Ultimate Utopia palette. This is a pretty good palette. I enjoy it, so I think, and it's perfect for palette bingo. But I had a lot of fun picking out the numbers, going through and figuring out a look just with the shades that I was given. I think it was a lot of fun, and I love to do this again with some other palettes that are bigger in size. And I just had a lot of fun. So if you like the video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me. I hope you are staying happy, staying healthy, taking care of yourselves, and I hope you have a great rest of the day. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.